How to add music in the video? It's very easy. Just here, right click, track option, add audio track. So here is audio track. Just go to your music or your ringtone or song, anything you want. uh, Select song or and left, again drag and left on audio track. So audio can also edit with the help of splitter. Like this portion of the song I do not need, so click on split, select the part and cut. Now we can check.
And how is your
So here is the volume of video and the volume of audio. Do not want the volume of the video, so click on mute.